Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who has put a rebuilt turbo into his car's engine and is having problems, it is a TDI, but you can find this problem in any other engine that has a turbo. It is a Golf 5 TDI with 105 horsepower. It has error P0299. That is regulation of the boost pressure below the limit of regulation, and ask what can cause this problem if it is a poorly installed turbo, a failure of the turbo, or problems with the turbo relief valve. In this case, what would have to be checked first of all is that the rebuilt turbo cartridge is the right one. It has happened to us to install a rebuilt turbo, and it turns out that the turbo cartridge was not the most suitable. No. Sent enough air pressure. Then secondly, that the turbo actuator is well calibrated, in this case with respect to the variable geometry. And if it were a fixed geometry turbo, it would have to be well calibrated with respect to the wastegate. Then thirdly, I would check that there is no obstruction in the intercooler radiator, because the other turbo that I had before, having been damaged, may have poured excess oil into the intake, and this would cause a blockage in the intercooler. Then fourthly, I would check that the vacuum tubes are installed correctly and that they are not installed backwards, because we have also seen this, and that there is no vacuum leak, of course. And now fifthly, I would also check that the MAP sensor is not also full of oil, because as I say, if the other turbo was damaged and leaked oil, just as it reaches the intercooler, it also reaches the MAP sensor and can cause an obstruction, and this would also cause that fault, P0299. Mainly, this would be what would have to be checked. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.